Before telling you about the company, let's have a quick story about most of the companies. Now, most of the companies go through the hiring phase at some point or the other in their life. What happens? We post the jobs on the job boards and we get hundreds of identical CVs after the sifting. Then what happens? We reach a bottleneck because now the HR manager has to call each and every person and tell them, when can you come for an interview? Please come for an interview and stuff like that. So the productivity of the HR manager for the next couple of weeks goes in only this process. What if we can break this bottleneck using technology? What if we can help these companies shorten this process and bring efficiency along the way? What if the productive hours of this HR manager can be used elsewhere and the interviews can be conducted while she's in a cab on the way to office, while she's in a house? Our company is a small answer to these what ifs only. Interview Air is an AI-based video interviewing technology which helps conduct these digital interviews which are totally asynchronous and helps you connect with the candidates digitally. So Interview Air is one of the proud companies whose main service is towards the tier 2 to tier 4 job seekers. We are trying to help these job seekers come on the job market, and we help them provide access to the various jobs which are available majorly in the tier 1 cities. We also pioneer in conducting digital campus placements. So we have a tie-up with all the colleges, and the companies can reach out to these colleges and share their job descriptions and conduct the entire placement process online just by sitting in their office itself. We also help the recruitment consultants, the trainers, so that they can help the candidates in their training process, make them more interview ready and then face the companies. So essentially, how are we different from the others is we brought all of them together and we provide these bouquet of services so all of them can synergize and interact with each other and help each other in the hiring process. Well, to answer this question, let me tell you a bit about our USPs. We have made job interviewing location and time independent. Now, no more calendar matching, no more follow-ups. Now, an HR just has to initiate an interview anytime, anywhere, and a candidate can attempt it just on his smartphone, anytime, anywhere. We have also brought in AI-based video analytics, which helps these HR decode the characteristic traits of these applicants. Now, all these HR tools helps the hiring managers to effectively hire the most suitable candidate for a role. Let me share a client's experience with you. A Delhi-based company wanted to hire from campus placements, but due to bandwidth issues, they can't travel to all locations. So they used Interview Air. They called the colleges online, shared their JD, candidates gave their interviews online as per their convenience, and within a span of 2 days, they could select 7 candidates from 4 different colleges spread across various cities, all without leaving Delhi. Now, isn't that what all clients want? Well, we firmly believe that be it HR or any other tech product, it should bring in a macro solution, a solution which is scalable and available to all at the click of a button. The solution should always revolve around the target audience and be ready to adapt to the changes at regular intervals. We live in such dynamic worlds that changes are a permanent phase of our life. Now, from the business perspective, HR solutions should be able to affordable. The solution should be such which we will able to reach out to the masses. Then only it is responsible and is helpful. Second, it should be unbiased, I think. It should benefit all the stakeholders and the users of the product, be it candidates or the corporates in our case. No more fabricated CVs and no more subjective hiring. That's what responsible business should aim for. Last but not the least will be futuristic trends. A responsible business should always be ever evolving and adaptive to the needs of the market. Then only it can contribute to the holistic and the prolific development. HR is the nerve center for every organization, irrespective of the sector or size. The sooner an organization realizes it, it brings it in their business plan, the better. HR helps hire, nurture, and retain the human capital of an organization. Imagine an idea not being executed into a business model. That's what ineffective human capital can do. In the ever evolving business landscape, when we collaborate HR with technology, it's bound to be prolific for the organization. It adds an effective tool to the HR. Let's take hiring for an example. Today, because of technology, there are online CV search sites. We at Interviewer have taken a step further. We brought interviews also online to aid the companies. These have helped hiring become more effective and efficient. For the ever-changing business environment, a dynamic HR and the requisite tech tools are a must-have now. We currently have candidates from Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities only. Going forward, we'd like to penetrate to the Tier 3 and 4 cities as well, because that's where the next big talent pool is. This will help companies have access to deserving talent pool, and the opportunities will be there for the smaller town candidates as well. We are also working on a multilingual interviewing platform. This will further help the candidates become more and more comfortable while giving their interviews. Basically, if the role does not require a candidate to converse in English, then why conduct the interviews in English and miss out on the good candidates just because of some language barrier? Well, we are also working on devising more realistic and customized psychometric tests. It's a demand from many companies, as if it's conducted properly with the correct questions, it can be an effective pre-screening tool. Also, to expand our ecosystem, we are building a technology for trainers where they can digitally train candidates and make them interview ready. Effective soft skill training will provide all the candidates a level playing field. We at Interviewer are passionate to innovate more and more features so that hiring becomes more convenient and a pleasant experience for both candidates and the company.